Hey YouTube family, good morning. Well, I don't know if it's morning where you are, but right now it's morning for me. It's about 5 in the morning. But hey, whatever time you're watching this. This video is another Keisha and Kaya collaboration video. As you guys know, Keisha Adinkra and we do monthly collaboration videos where we come up with a theme or an idea or something to do, and we challenge ourselves to complete that task for that month. So for the month of November, we decided to have a little bit of fun, have a more relaxed video. Well, maybe not relaxed, because this is going to be a challenge video. We are going to be challenging ourselves in this video, challenging our creativity, our techniques, and we're going to basically do a video where the products that we will use to create a complete makeup look are products that are not typically meant for that use. And what I mean is, for example, we cannot use a foundation as a foundation. We have to use it as something else. We cannot use eyeshadows for the eyes. We have to use it as something else. So basically, everything that we're going to use to create a full look, each product will be used differently than what it was intended or created to be used for. So creativity overflowing. Hopefully you guys enjoy this challenge video from Keisha Adinkra and And speaking of Keisha, this is the look that she created from her challenge. Make sure you check out her video to see how she used different products to create that look. So without much talking, because I can talk forever, let's get into the video. So the face is already moisturized. Now we're gonna prime the face, and I'm going to use a face gel. This is the Natural Anti-Essential Soothing Aloe Vera Face Gel. So this is the face gel that I use typically after I do a face scrub, but it is great. I find it works great as a primer because of the aloe vera, and it does have like a sticky consistencies to it. Okay, now that the face is primed, I'm going to go in with my foundation, but instead of using foundation, I'm going to use concealer. So the concealer I'm going to use, and I hope, oh God, I hope it works. Vapor Organic Beauty. This is the Illusionist Concealer in the color 060, and this is the sample that I received from them. As a concealer, this is it matches my skin tone, it really matches my skin tone, so it doesn't really conceal for me. So I think it should work great as a foundation. Let's see, you guys. Let's cross our fingers. God, please hope I don't break off from this video. Foundation, aka concealer, is all over my face. It feels very dry. My face feels like it's almost itching, but I'm gonna power through. I think I should be okay. I have tough skin, so I think I should be okay. But this is how the concealer is looking. This is how it's looking. Not bad. It's looking like a look, y'all. It's looking like a look. Okay, so now I'm going to work on my eyes, eyeshadow. First, we're going to create an eyeshadow base. So we are going to use, instead of an eyeshadow primer, we are going to use concealer, and then we're going to set that with translucent powder. Plain Jane Beauty Concealer in the color Moonstone. Plain Jane Translucent Powder. Shea Moisture Illuminating Minimal Bronzer in the color Dusk. Wet the brush a little. Next to my eye color, I'm going to use this sample blush from Black Minerals Cosmetics, and this is in the color Adobe. Wet the brush. This is another sample blush. This is from Black Minerals Cosmetics again, and this is the color Glow. So Glow wasn't showing up, so it didn't really make much difference in my eye. So I'm going with a color that looks promising, that looks like it would show up as eyeshadow. This is another sample blush, and this is in the color Current. So far I'm liking the look, but I really want to just push myself and challenge myself just a little bit more. This is the color Hush, and it is another sample blush from Black Minerals Cosmetics. Obviously this is mascara, but I'm not going to use it as mascara. what I'm going to do is use the black liquid from this with a really nice thin fine pencil and use that as eyeliner. This is the Plain Jane Beauty Just Mascara. Remove the wand and try to get some on the brush. Wish me luck, you guys. So that little eyeliner experiment kind of worked out, but it made my lashes get all stuck together. I'm gonna switch up the mascaras for a little bit. I'm going to use the Hint Beauty just to line the bottom waterline. I have no choice. I'm going to just use my Hint Beauty, and this is my Forte High Definition Eyeliner Pencil. Fairly quickly. The Cream Minerals Foundation from Plain Jane Beauty, the color number 12, and this shade is too light for me as a foundation. My foundation shade is number 14 for Plain Jane Beauty, I Am Magnificent. Number 12 is too light for me, so I'm going to use number 12 as my concealer. Foundation, aka concealer, is on, and now I'm going to set it with the finishing powder from Hint Beauty. So instead of using a translucent powder, I'm going to use the Hint Beauty Finale finishing powder in the color Neutral Yellow. Ooh, I dropped it. Let's hope I didn't break it. Okay, we're good. Didn't break it. Just to set it and forget it. That's done. I feel like the eyes are still missing something, so I'm going to add some color to the bottom waterline. And I'm going to add that red color, Current. No. I'm going to add Hush to the bottom waterline to see how it looks. The bottom is it's missing something, you know? Oh my gosh, I put too much. Team too much. Extra. This is the Elate Full Tint Foundation in the color Chestnut. And I'm going to use that to do something that I don't normally do. I'm going to contour. I usually don't contour, it's not my thing. But I'm having so much fun doing this challenge that I just want to go all out and just test my creativity. So why not? Let's contour. Elate is too dark for my skin tone, which is great because that means that beautiful melanated skin that are darker than mine can take full use of this foundation right here. And I also have a review of this foundation. I'll leave it, you know, usual right there for you guys to watch and enjoy. So I'm going to use that to contour because it's too dark for me, but I'm sure it will fit someone else. Okay, let's see. I think they just blend it. I mean, I'm not too sure how this contour situation thing works, but we're just going to try. So a light contour, nothing too heavy. Now we're gonna blush. I usually don't blush either. I don't wear blushes, but we are going to use this eyeshadow. This is the Perfecto Pressed Eyeshadow in the color Rosy Velvet, and this is from Hint Beauty. So to highlight, we're going to use the Pacifica Eyeshadow Trio. The colors are Breathless, Glowing, and Sunset. Now I don't know which one is Breathless, Glowing, and Sunset, but I'm going to use the gold one that I'm showing to you guys right now. I'm going to use that as a highlighter. Because it is a cream highlight, I'm going to just use my finger. Yep. Just like that. So basically we're done. The hardest part for me right now is lipstick, because I can't use lipstick as lipstick. I have to use something else. So I was just testing out some eyeshadows to see how they would work as lipstick. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna do the best that I can. My lips are kind of dry, so I had to add some lip gloss. So just added some lip gloss, and now I'm going to, try to create I want more of a nudie lip to go with this bold eye. So I'm going to start off with, this color is called Masala, and it is from Mother Bear's Handmade. That is Masala on the lips. I don't know if I'm feeling it. It's really nude brown. I want a little bit more of a pop of color because it's looking just too brown for me, just too brown. The highlight though. Come through Pacifica with the highlight though. Bright red. It's called Red Leather, and that is from Addictive Cosmetics. I'm just gonna pop that in the center to see how it would look. Oh gosh, this lip is way too bold. I mean, this lip and this eye together, in person it doesn't look bad, but in the viewfinder it's like, it is a lot. It is a beautiful creation, but it's just, I find that it's too much for the eye. It's just, this lip is a lot. It's extra. It's really extra, just like me. All right, after much trial and error, I think this lip I could work with. So I just basically blotted away most of the eyeshadow that I had before. Same color, that just kept blotted away until I calmed it down to this very light look, and then I added some more lip gloss, and that's it. Last but not least, we're gonna set everything so it don't look cakey, like we have a cake face. And instead of using my regular setting spray, I'm going to use the Heritage Stone Rose Water. This is rose water that I typically use for my hair, so I'm going to use this to set my makeup because rose water is a good setting spray, in case you didn't know. Boom! Alright you guys, so the look is all done. I'm all done. Let me know what you guys think. Did I nail it or nah? Is it acceptable or try again? So I kind of like it. I mean, it's really dramatic, it's really made up, it's really a full face beat. I did not want to shy away from this challenge. I wanted to tackle it like just head on, like rawr, like, you know, just try and test my skills, and I wanted to do a full face beat. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section, please. I want to know your thoughts. Is the eyeshadows popping? Did you like the previous lip or do you like this lip? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But that is all. Don't forget to head over to Keisha Adinkra's challenge. Head over to Keisha Adinkra's channel to see how she tackled and completed this challenge and used products in unusual ways. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to always, always, always enjoy your journey. I'm out. Bye.